Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, them boy, them people every day, them get up on my name. Every day.
In the teeth, me car. When him teeth me car, me don't know when him left the car, mama, and them the teeth out, everything was on the car. But him did at the hospital and the car never locked. So it me that talk about, because at the hospital, him did there. No,
No,
mama,
when she
that's his
tell
son
Gifted
IG.
say
Me
you
can't call
call
her,
her
me
and
not
I
number play.
cry and you tell her everything. Yeah, that girl is weird, bro. Me no say she
No,
lie
no,
already, you know,
mama.
Nikki. You
It
know me,
was on IG, mama.
you know me stay when it come to that, you know.
They never my IG, I'm other. You see me?
Cause even the other day, me I say, oh, this person I call the same argument. I mean, the tagging. And then me say she Gifted come now with the same argument again now. She has said Gifted get it from YouTube. And now she come back and
No,
say
she
no
never
wanna
sit there,
sit
she
down.
sit down
She
beside the
sit
girl.
down
Me hear her,
side her.
man.
That girl is just weird, dog. She just
Mama,
weird, bro.
mama,
She too
mama,
lie.
mama, all of
But
them
hey,
people, them just ball
thank
out, say
God
give me
it
money,
got
me
good
never
in
talk to
Nikki.
me, no. Because they don't eat from the people, them. Say, for $100, you give me, you know, to the liquor house, burn down now. And then you go, Ray, what about $100, mama? Nothing, no, the long argument, then I just, what about $100? And the whole world, see me give back $100.
Tell Gifted for come over Nikki Blacks.
Yeah, the people that before go
I
walk
don't
and
give
show call the
you know, but Gifted
police.
just a walk around in our one plaza, so she there.
No, she, listen. When me
I go
end the
come try
first
talk
live,
it out. That's
and
all
I
she
try to
gonna
send
do.
the
You're
money,
not
she like
paying
try to
the
call
man.
me. But me have to send her back her money. Yeah. Yeah, that's what she do to me all the
Yeah, she
time.
gonna try
I mean,
talk
just
it
call it
over.
on and
That's
I
what
say,
she do
Chuck,
to you all the time.
I fought it off.
And you lower her out. That's what me just say. Me say last time, look how Nikki, I'll give the benefit of the doubt. I say again, even when she don't say I lie, say listen. All right, Momo no know me, so Momo can't say that. All right, lower it up. Me see
You see
what you
me?
do. And she come back
Yeah, she come back
again with it.
again now, like, come on, girl. I mean, know why you call. Me know why you call back my phone for IG need a woman. Me know what a friend for you, man. You're wicked. You call me and then still chat. You're the wickedest thing, you know the worst thing. She can't say nobody ever say I talk about her. I do not talk about that girl.
You don't. You don't. You never do. Even you, me just tell me, say, you know, say Nikki are the last person tell me for low out the girl and me low it out. And every minute she have a style for call my name. So every once in a blue, my answer her blood clot. But you really look for me and say, leave it alone. Just, all right, dead it now. Or this are going too long. I
Yeah,
mean,
she
leave
weird,
it
man.
alone. She just weird.
Wanna go on pink?
Something have wrong with her. Something she have sick, bro.
For real, Kiana. Me get, hold on.
Pink,
A
pink,
screenshot, me I try to screenshot the
What's
conversation.
up,
Show the people them say never
Cashqueen?
meet the guy or nothing. Me never beg her nothing, mama.
Bro, this is weird, bro. She just weird. Me know you never beg her nothing. She, all when time she send me $50 and tell people say, you remember she did tell them say, I me call her cause me say me hungry, me
Mama,
pitney
me
them
never beg her
hungry.
nothing, mama.
Like me not born in America. How my pitney them for hungry?
Mama, I know people give money. Mama, you still
And
on
so she
beside me, I send money when
stay,
somebody
she
can
just
cash up
send
and
things
give
so
them
me
money
believe
again.
her.
You just see me with my phone. You just see me with my phone.
She just enough.
You see me? You just see me with my phone.
Nah, something wrong with her
Eh?
though.
You
Everybody
just see
else
me
said
with
the
my
same
phone,
thing.
mama.
Somebody else said. Last
I mean,
week,
I look for.
somebody else said too. Somebody
Oh,
else
it's a
said
gift
me.
to
I
the.
say, you want to that girl.
Yes, I mean, she look for.
Gifted is here. You see it? Yeah, but I tell her, for, that's why she tell me for sure you when she up on the live. Oh, you are reading.
We're outside.
We're
Gifted
outside.
rich.
Mama, we're
Jesus
outside.
Christ. Gifted no, she not gonna pull up. Definitely not gonna pull up.
We're outside.
She's not gonna
Over here, them
pull up
people, she not
now.
come to the plaza, yeah.
Outside.
She,
Over the plaza, them people,
Jesus
she's not coming over
Christ.
here.
Bagga bagga TV.
Outside. Yankee store about girl, boy, 11 girl, gang
He's
all.
not
Which
gonna come
part?
outside now, definitely. Right now, me $1,000. Hmm? You can't hear me think. Oh, she has spin.
Fucking liar. Let me show you what caused the problem. What on? Let me show you what caused the problem. Come on, what she think before.
Blood clot, Momo, them say you all up time.
Hold on now. Let me show you. I feel like me a fuck girl. Watch it.
Them say me a what?
This is what causing the problem. Me no answer. My
Me
baby
don't live
them
at
is not
Georgia.
important. See it? Yeah?
Me
Back to
don't
back
live at
everything.
Florida.
Oh, she not answer her
Yes.
phone call.
Yes, I'm
So
coming
she
up
in her
story.
feelings.
Yes, can look like me and her
4,000.
fuck. Yes. Tell me how
I
much.
only for call her.
All right. This is what cause feelings.
I only for call.
Hold on, no. This is what. And I send me pussy picture. Hold on, see?
Hear the Momo come
And I
Oh,
and
yeah.
send
go
me
up.
pussy picture.
She like girls.
Me no know.
Crosses
Hold on. Let me
TV.
show you what cause the problem.
I'll post the picture on
More
her
call
phone.
again. More call again. More. No, me
What?
everything I want know. More
Gifted
call
now, tell
again.
me the truth, you know,
More
Nikki. I
call
I'll
got
be
a
a
again.
pussy
court case
picture
with
over here,
Gifted.
Be a cock
woman.
up in a 10.
Gifted, I
Be a
forgot for your court.
cock up in a 10.
They
I
said
cock up in
Nikki
a
Be
10.
court
a
case, I
I will
forgot
prep
keep with
there.
Gifted
lie.
over here,
This is
cause
the
Gifted
first
now
time you
talk
meet this woman.
truth.
She told
I
her
first,
she
yes,
tell me
yes, for
about
sure.
this woman.
But me see her before, but I first me really catch her.
Exactly. She tell me about this woman. I don't know about this woman. Cock up in
All
a
them
10
say
and
them
put the
can't
position.
see,
I'm going to tell
to
her
take
about my
me come
girlfriend. She
off.
catching her
The
feelings.
people them say
Oh,
them
you have a
cannot see
girlfriend?
Nikki.
She catching her feelings. I think
Oh,
she's
so
a
she
fuck
knows
girl.
say
Yeah,
you have
them.
a girl.
Yes.
So she come and know you, man.
Yes.
Baga, look
Send
how
me pussy
Gifted
picture.
attack
Cock up in
things
her.
Hey,
now.
I'll be a pussy picture over here, more.
Me tell them earlier, so me know say them a fuck and she a go round the
Murder!
thing cause she no want there with Cashqueen. Cashqueen says she choose her man over
Murder!
Gifted.
I'll be a cock up a go on over here.
No court case I forgot keep over here, so Nikki I forget
But me
Nikki I
never know your mouth could have
forget to the bottom of it. What
No, me never know her
picture?
mouth could have opened. Come here, let's see her. She don't talk.
Some friend you tell me
And my blood clot girl too. I mean and she catch up when Cashqueen go friend her up.
So she and the girl them have.
me no know.
Oh, when she nearly beat her.
Me no know. I know she not tell me the story. She not tell me about two and I show me two girls.
Oh, them do wear the t-shirt.
And stand up behind me. I say, Gifted, you got me, some I got you. And stand up behind me.
And when the girl them have on her t-shirt.
Mm-hmm.
When her face the bust up, them put the them put her on the t-shirt.
Wicked rascal. Outside.
She's not
Them
gonna come.
say them cannot see. What them looking for?
She good. Yeah, better write that so. She not come out there, man. Oh, me never know Gifted live here. But me never know say so she name all this that girl. But me don't know how to talk to. And she don't talk. Me never know she talk. When you see her, she don't really talk. She not talk much. No, she not talk much. Yeah, charge it to the end. Yeah, excuse me. You know what I you like you love girls? You know what I she's a part of the girl and me love girls? I saw she has space for the clothes. I saw she and the next one don't mind with the clothes. Cashqueen, man, you have something you want to tell the people them. So she just reach out. Yes, Cashqueen, you like you love girl. Yeah, well, my get $100. Me don't need you, mama. Me don't talk to you. Me give back your $100.
Nikki, thank you for the thank you.
No, thank you for the $100. Thank you for give back your money.
$100, I didn't need it.
No,
Thank you for the $100. Need it. Thank you.
no, thank you.
Mama, don't make them turn in a matches because I never said nothing about. All right, you gonna let me talk?
No, yeah,
Reasonable. All right, go on.
But don't come to me about thank you $100.
All right.
No. But me care back your $100 when you give me. So suppose you say thank you care back your $100.
All right, whatever, Mama. Thank you for all the $100 for me because I need it. Me I go for my local clothes. My God, no, me need it. Me not lying. Thank you.
Yeah.
Can I talk now? Nikki, the day, hold on, Nikki, let me talk. You know, someone come up here if me.
Blood clot, but now they are help us show give people money. No.
Mama, can I talk? Can I talk? All right. Can I talk? I did over your talk. Let me talk. The day the girl live right on 56, and the day when me did I pick her up, me tell her me get some money, so me get a check. You see the West, not the Western Union, where the place the name Cross on 55th. Hold on, no, man. She was in my car. Hold on, she was in. Not. Mama, me and the girl I go down the road because she come at my house and me cook some food and she me go up on the live and say no for no pussy want know where me live. And me a gifted cook and she come at me yard me not even go live and me cook my lobster and my fish. And the girl said she vexed to me come on the internet and say she get lobster and fish and there was like 15 other people who make more money than her them. And she said, oh yeah, make me look like me hungry. Oh me I make you look like you're hungry when other people did that and as I get together. So from yesterday, Puss called me and say, yo, and Puss said she called her and one piece of sitting and
no,
I'm like, yo, I'm not even arguing with you. I'm going on my cruise.
My part finish already because I get back $100. And when we get $100 argument.
So anyway, Mama, listen to me. Believe what you want to believe because you know I'm stay already. And one thing with we might have a lot of enemies and a lot of them girls don't like me, but me I tell you the God amount of truth. Me never talk negative about you. I me never said nothing about you. The guy never think it was a big deal because me say it to you broad and brawling on the live. Say, Nikki, what is your cap shop? And me asking for your cash shop. And me. And it's on fucking YouTube.
Okay.
And me ask you, I me never send it right away. And me hear them call me, me there work and them say, Nikki Blakks go live and say, people are promising. And me say, me never listen to it. About a couple of days later, I'm still sending it anyway because I just never come in there at work. I never remember to put the money in my account. I even texted that Mama. I said, Mama, I'm sorry, so I never send it. When me did send me, I go send it. Tell them dirty girl move and go and yo, and you don't have to tell them. You go tell them, gift him. I'm tell you this. Me no give a fuck where you want blood clot because my sister a bad mind and no, my fault because I keep on. I bring on a dirty stinking dirty nigga girl around me. I show me wicked, yo. I show me wicked to my blood clot self. Sometimes I don't discriminate against people because I love all people. And sometimes I bring on a crosses blood clot girl around me. And this one my bumper clot get. But guess what? Nikki believe what she want blood clot believe because I know my heart. And you see my 4 youth them, I love my youth them. I'm trying to do things in the life so you don't drop on me for suck yourself. And Nikki, thank you for the $100.
If you owe me the blood clot, I take prayer. Mama, the way the things set right now, would you have a prayer I want from you? I see me give back your $100 and come
Mama, it's whatever you want to say, Nikki. If you want to believe it, I saw it go, Mama. And I don't care.
When me and go down the road here,
she's at the door. So when I make my man, I'll know them thing and I come on my yard to me.
It's always people say you talking about me. You ever hear anybody say that about you?
Because they want to set you and not me and you for what? You're not fucking stupid, Nikki. Because you're living in my city, I see when them go to Box and tell Box to fuck with. Every time them say anybody around me, I mean I tell you from the God Almighty truth, me not give a fuck. I mean know you have bumper clad sense and you're a big woman. My ball pan the morning when me see a ball. I'm feel it from my heart. Ask me kids them and my mother. My mother just have stroke and my mother life. I love my mom, I love her my life. Me never say nothing negative, but that girl that tell me don't send you the money. I said no. And it's only why she know because she did in on me blood clot care.
Yeah, but Cashqueen. Me not my care me send money go.
I mean I tell you the blood clot truth and Mama, if you want to believe or you want to believe your business. Yo, Nikki, well then cuss me for that then. Say, guess what? Alright, cuss me for that. Cuss me for that. Say that Cashqueen shouldn't say nothing to her then.
Alright, Nikki, cuss me for that, but don't make them girls tell us me they talk bad boy. Yo. Cuss me for that part if you want. If you want train me, if you want cuss me, if you want school me, do your blood clot one for that part there. But don't make nobody come tell us me they talk bad boy. Yo. I'm sending that money with a bad heart. What me do wrong is me say it on the live. What me should have blood clot do was say it in a secret. Mama, I'm happy say you're strong. Let me tell you this, me need it. Me I go for my little vacation, thank you. Sometimes when you learn a helping hand and when you need it, you get it back. Also God work and we are God bless people.
Later me
Straight. I'm sorry, but it is what it blood clot is. Thank you. Thank you. Me not turn it back. Me just cash it out in my bank of account. Bank of America account. Fuck it. Because if you want believe what you want believe, Nikki, then that's so as a dancer I'll stay. But me I tell you straight up and the girl and me and her are. And you don't know them stay already with the bag of her. Me say, listen to me. The girl just happen to say she live right there, so. I which other girl me power well love pussy? Where you talk? Stacey Blacker? No, just Stacey Blacker. You ever see me as a female around?
But that's what everywhere else start with us. That's what they're pussy.
No, don't do it, cause I don't love woman. Don't do it, Nikki. You know, for phone. Well, so what? I showed her what I sent to Dav. I was telling her the story why I sent it to Dav and they said bring the pussy come and the war with me and Momo. I send it to her when I sent to Dav. My pum pum pretty.
But you said it's the girl.
Yeah, cause I saw under the picture. I said, this is the picture. Them one post it cause it's too pretty. They might try to bring me down and bring me down for other things. So what me send it, so what? But I have to do with you, Nikki, me never this yo. Oh,
it was asking for me.
Alright, thank you. Yeah, me not listen, me not deny what's real.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
It was ask me and the people, some of the people.
Me just keep it 100. Me did I come over there and show my man friend, him there and friend yard and the friend
where's
tell me
the
alive
part?
and
You
tell me
know
what the
what
yard
it
him
don't
come now. And
last time I leave the $100 to the side and I feel me that spend.
no, don't do that, Nikki. You see all them pussy whole thing there. Let me tell you something. Don't make people push you to fuckery. Cause me never send it to you upon no bullshit. Me send it to you from the heart. Just because the bitch did in my fucking car, that's why me not have nobody around me, because nobody wouldn't know. Because either than this, she never did in my car, she would have never blood clot. Don't
There's no way. So good. Woman, so good.
yo, what the fuck she said? She said, anyway, me see you, you have to give me money. And that shit is saying I fuck with that.
Cashqueen,
And you never talk
Nikki
why would
talk
I
now
have to
and
give you
stop
money,
talk over
Nikki? What the
people.
fuck? Alright.
But when Nikki I say, when me I say Nikki, not saying them not chat because them was friend. So obviously Cashqueen love to talk. So there's no reason why me not gonna believe that she not
Then post. Post me not
say she
serious.
not
I
talk.
just give back her
Oh,
$100.
with the blood clot.
Me never give
Exactly,
her about none, you
exactly.
know.
Thank you,
Me
Mr.
never
Free
give her
game.
David.
about
Thank you,
But
$1.
puss,
right.
puss, yeah, jump out. See everybody
What
just Cashqueen
what
just
you
say here,
want
so
to
I said,
say?
Nikki,
Me
I
never
did
No,
speak
tell
if
she
me
her
just
not
so.
talk
talk about
about
the
the
She said,
Nikki.
Nikki,
education.
I
Pink,
did tell her so.
Pink,
She
hold
said it
on,
out of
man.
her mouth.
She said that
Ah,
long time to Nikki Pan over the life, and that me a talk about. When me a chat
what you
about,
talking
say,
about? Cause of that
listen,
me a
Pink,
talk about. So she
Pink,
chat too
you,
much.
Pink, listen. You just coming at the argument, so you don't know
No,
where
I
you
mean at the
start from. So
argument long time. I come
listen,
like coffee.
keep out of the argument because now
You
that's your
can't tell me
business.
if it involves
But when
Nicky
me a
Black
try
now,
to
but in
say,
there. I come
when me a
like
try,
Charles.
when me a try to say, you can't hear, you can't see friend and argue, and then give to that talk because Cashqueen come out attack and them a talk. Nobody's supposed to listen to them. People just leave them, let them argue, leave it.
Exactly.
But
Shut up,
puss,
man,
you have
about
to
them
Sometimes
talk
you
also
thing.
need to give them a
Because
understand.
catches back.
If as when Nikki say, when she hear a
say I'm
story, she
sorry.
make it slide. But when she hear the true story, she have to run back the 100 because she know it's true. And Cashqueen say, yes, she did say to Gifted.
No, she run it back because Nikki don't want me
No,
to say me give
I
her
wouldn't want
nothing.
nothing
Cause she's
from
a
you neither
cancer like me
because
and we
I
share the
you're gonna
same.
talk about
And we have
it.
sensitivity. And that's why she sent me about my money and thank God she sent me
Yeah,
because she need
so
it.
you basically just said that you said
And
it.
I saw God
So
work and God
so
bless him pick
are you
me.
and your boyfriend need to
She's
start
a
out in a
cancer like me. We
relationship?
don't like nobody
So
no
that
come
Listen.
means
forward.
You and your boyfriend don't have this situation occurred again.
Stop
What
talking.
boyfriend
And
you
you
Get
know
want
the
in
to
girl
there.
that
chat?
just say, I show the pum punani picture.
Yo, Puss,
What
get your
about the
sister in a
punani
man
picture?
call. Me can't
Stop
bother,
turning this
God
in a
damn.
joke thing, because it's not a joke.
Jesus,
Because
Father
this
Then I
God,
thing,
must
no
she
one
with
joke.
a
man
man
and
she
my picture
like.
have to do with
But
Nikki
when me I say,
Blackson.
No,
She's that.
no.
What
Cash
my
Queen
man have
send
to
her
do
the
with
punani
gifted and
picture. She
herself?
just show it to
Woman with the
she just a
bumbo
show it to
clotting.
Nikki right there.
when I show them one
Yeah,
another,
me never
so I
show me
must
Well,
man
show
name
them,
share
no
then them a
one
go
another.
after
Nikki.
You
them
just a,
girlfriend.
well, you just a, then who cares? Who cares?
Oh,
It's
whatever.
all
All right, so guess what, Puss?
girlfriend
Me
Hey,
tell you
argument.
the
man,
thing.
man. It's
Me
just
a
a
send the
bunch
girl
of
Pussy
people.
and me tell her say me da give Nikki $100 and me a go in at the store. What more you want here, mama? Either
Catch
way,
Queen
no make
loves
no
to
sense.
talk.
If me and you did a
Listen,
suck
Cash
pussy or me
Queen.
and you did a
You
friend,
see?
why
You
now
see
that
with
we're
Cash Queen,
arguing, you run for Nikki to create
pin, she
drama?
just talk. Please, let me speak.
Hold on, no. You say me a talk about now. You say you know Cashqueen, that's why I'm not play with you. If somebody give back your $100, I'm a screenshot it and report it off on my page. It's why I'm not play with you, my girl. I mean, the
Me
first time
report
you
it
don't
up.
gonna
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Why would I report it? Don't do it,
I
Nikki. I've
mean,
been on
but
the
me
live with
never,
you.
me
Don't
never,
don't do it.
I want for
Me
you.
not no time for this.
I want for
Me
you.
say me not have no time for this.
I
Me
want
cash
for
it
you.
out in a me account. Nikki, don't play with me.
I want
It
for
does
you.
not say my
Girl, I
name on
tell you
there.
who
Don't do
report
that.
it, mama.
Me there on the live
Mama,
video, and before me come over here,
mama,
I was on
mama.
my
If
live,
you
so me
support the
can't report
government,
none. Don't do it.
mama, if
Nikki,
you
so I
support the
saw you are gonna
government,
find
if
everything
you
for
support
worry
the
me for real.
government,
So I
That's
saw you are gonna
why I
mama,
find
should have
every
think
little
when you
thing to
do the
make me for
app.
real,
government,
Nikki.
if you
Boy,
support
me
the
I
government,
tell it to you.
Nikki,
mama,
you are gonna
and
find
report,
every little
if
thing
you
for
support
really
the
argue with me
government,
for real, Nikki.
and report the screenshot when we just
I
lick up our body